beautiful night scene at a busy intersection of my hometown. Vegetable shop, coconut vendor. Bus stop is empty. Coconut slices are being sold here. This is a park, family park, and there remains a lot of rush here. But today it rained a little while ago, and the weather it is slightly cold. That's why it's totally empty and nobody is here. Otherwise, in a routine, there remains a lot of rush here indeed. There was a bin beneath here, beneath this umbrella type, but it is not anymore. It is gone. Somebody has stolen it. Somebody has sold it. Some of the passengers are waiting for the bus to a fruit shop. Since the war between America and Iran began, it is the first time that fuel is in the short supply. That's why you can see the long queues there on the filling stations. Cars are queuing up to be able to get a bit of the fuel. But it is for the first time, again I repeat that it is for the first time. Many of the countries were facing the fuel shortage, particularly India. For the first time since the war began between USA and Iran, it is the first time that the fuel is in the short supply here in Pakistan. That is why you can see that there are a large number of the motorbikers. There are a large number of cars as well who are queuing up to be able to get some fuel. The fuel is in the short supply. That is again I repeat that it is for the first time since the war between Iran and USA began. Look at this, what kind of vehicle is it? This vehicle is called Dongfeng. It is made in China. But this tractor, it is some maybe 50-year-old or at least 45-year-old, and it is having a medium-sized trolley behind it. Despite the fact that the fuel prices have been increased a lot, even then the fuel is not available. Iron is being loaded on a tractor trolley. Ambulances. Newly opened shoes shop. Nadra, NICs, CNICs, guest house. Store. Look at this store, electric store. Look at the kind of variety of lights they are having. Excellent indeed. Lot of fancy lights are here. A real estate office.